Stop wasting your 20s. Do this instead. Hey love, if you feel like your 20s are slipping away, scrolling, doubting, waiting for the right time, this video is for you. Because nobody tells us this truth. Time doesn't slow down when we feel lost. But today we fix that. Step by step. Calm, clear, powerful. Build, don't wait. Your 20s are not about being perfect. They're about building foundations, career skills, money habits, confidence, self-respect. Think of your life like a house. You don't decorate before you build the walls. Research indicates that habits formed in our 20s significantly influence our lifetime success. Tiny improvements compound, like interest in the bank. Start a growth list. 3 things you work on daily: 10 pages of reading, 30 minutes of skill building, 10 minutes of planning for tomorrow. Small, consistent, powerful. Money and skills, your safety net. Instead of chasing motivation, build skill security. Freelancing, basic business, digital tools, communication. Women who learn money early feel less stress, less dependence, more freedom. Pick one skill: Canva design, social media management, simple AI tools, customer support, content writing. Practice 20 minutes a day. Use YouTube, free courses, practice projects. Your future self will thank you. Energy and routine. Protect your mind. Burnout is real, and many women carry responsibilities silently. Your brain needs structure. Morning. Move your body 5 to 10 minutes. Afternoon. Deep work block. No phone. Evening. Gentle plan for tomorrow. Research shows routines reduce anxiety and improve focus. And remember, feeling lost sometimes doesn't mean you're failing, it means you're becoming. Build the right circle. Success grows where encouragement lives. Distance yourself from people who mock your dreams. Move closer to women who learn, build and support. Start conversations, join groups, comment, network online. Opportunities grow from people. Conclusion. Your 20s are not slipping away. You are learning, shaping, preparing. Be patient, be disciplined. You are building a life, brick by brick. If this spoke to you, stay. We talk business ideas for women, confidence, money, career growth, and peace of mind. Like, subscribe, and share with another woman who needs this. And please share with me in the comments. What are you currently struggling with? I'm here with you.